Yeah.
Hi, my name is Hazel Brazzel, and I just want to speak on the behalf of Miss Ellie and her team. Miss Ellie has been so wonderful. This has been a uphill battle, downhill battle, all around the corner battle, and they have been so creditable. Stuck with me throughout the process, did things that I know no other companies do. I mean, just magnificent people, loving people, committed, faithful, and most of all, just straight legal in everything that they do. And I just want to give a shout out and just let the world know that this company that Ms. Ellie is in association with has done great things. And I appreciate them for what they've done and how they've helped me through all of my legal process. So I just want to let everybody know that this is a team to work with and to respect. All the illegal stuff that goes on, I could say that they truly has been legal with me, upfront with me, have given me understanding in everything that I went forth to do and needed to know. So I give them 101.
Thank you so much.
For the credit. Thank you, Ms. Ellie.
You're welcome.